Air travel in 2025 looks nothing like it did just a few years ago. Whether you're a frequent flyer or planning your first trip in a while, don't step foot in an airport before watching this video. From AI-powered security systems to digital vaccine passports, we're breaking down the latest airport protocols, tech upgrades, and travel rules that are now standard across major airports around the world. Let's dive in. Number 1. Biometric boarding and security. In 2025, biometric identification has become the new normal. Forget boarding passes. Your face is your passport. Key changes. Facial recognition boarding. Most international airports now use facial scans at check-in, security, and boarding. The system matches your face to your passport photo and stored data. Seamless travel corridors. Major airports have adopted single-token travel, where you register your face once and move through the airport without showing ID again. Advanced AI security screening. Instead of manual bag checks, AI-powered scanners now detect prohibited items in real time using 3D imaging and machine learning. No more shoes off rule. Thanks to upgraded scanners, you usually no longer need to remove shoes or laptops at most TSA and equivalent checkpoints. Number 2. Digital travel credentials. In 2025, your phone is more important than ever. New protocols. Digital IDs and passports. Many countries now accept digital IDs linked to government-verified apps, like mobile driver's licenses, MDLs, or ICAO digital travel credentials, DTC. Smart visas. Visas are now often QR code-based and linked to your biometric data. No paper required. Digital vaccine and health records. Though pandemic restrictions have eased, some countries still require proof of vaccinations or health status for entry. These are stored in apps like IATA Travel Pass or government health portals. Number 3. AI-enabled customs and border control. Customs and immigration have gone high-tech too. What's new? E-gates powered by AI. Automated immigration gates verify your identity using biometric data and allow quick entry for registered travelers. AI-assisted screening. Border agents are now aided by AI that flags anomalies in behavior or documentation, speeding up the process and improving accuracy. Global entry-style programs expanded. Many countries have rolled out their own fast-track options, like the EU's ESHAs, UK's ETA, and expanded trusted traveler programs in the US and Asia. Number 4. Baggage tech and smart tagging. Losing your luggage may soon be a thing of the past. Tech highlights. Smart baggage tags. Airlines now offer RFID or Bluetooth-enabled tags that allow real-time tracking via your airline's app. Self-drop baggage. You can print tags at home or at kiosks, attach them, and simply place your bag on a conveyor belt. No need for an agent. Automated sorting and loading. Robotics and AI sort and load bags with greater speed and accuracy. Number 5. Green airport initiatives. Airports are also going greener in 2025. Sustainability upgrades. Electric ground transport. Many airports now use electric buses and luggage carts to reduce emissions. Carbon-neutral terminals. Some airports have achieved net zero status with solar power, efficient HVAC systems, and smart lighting. Sustainable aviation fuels. SAF flights departing from major hubs are increasingly using SAF blends to lower carbon output. Number 6. Airport lounges and wellness features. Today's airports are designed not just for transit, but for comfort and wellness. What's trending? Sleep pods and rest zones. Long layover? Many terminals now offer hourly sleep pods, some even with VR entertainment or white noise features. Wellness lounges. Expect massage chairs, yoga spaces, and even guided meditation areas. On-demand food delivery. Order from your gate and get food delivered right to your seat using QR codes and mobile apps. Number 7. Connectivity and remote work hubs. Working remotely while traveling? Airports are now built for that lifestyle. Key features. Super-fast Wi-Fi. Many airports offer free 5G, level Wi-Fi with dedicated bandwidth for business travelers. Private workstations and video pods. Bookable by the hour, these are ideal for confidential calls or Zoom meetings. Digital concierge kiosks. AI assistants placed across terminals help you find lounges, reschedule flights, or access airline services. Number 8. Airport safety and surveillance tech. Behind the scenes, airport security is smarter and more proactive than ever. What's happening? AI-powered crowd analytics. Systems monitor crowd movement to prevent bottlenecks and respond to emergencies. Real-time threat detection. Algorithms scan behavior patterns for early warning signs of suspicious activity. Enhanced cybersecurity. Airports are now high-value targets, so digital infrastructure is protected with quantum encryption and real-time network defense. 9. Remote work support. The rise of the digital nomad lifestyle and the mainstream shift to hybrid work models have profoundly influenced airport design. Modern airports are transforming into productivity hubs, accommodating the needs of remote workers, freelancers, and business travelers who rely on connectivity and comfort to stay productive between flights. Remote work features. Private work pods. Airports are increasingly integrating soundproof, ergonomically designed work pods equipped with charging ports, comfortable seating, adjustable lighting, and secure high-speed internet. These pods offer travelers a quiet sanctuary for focused work, video calls, or confidential meetings, far from the hustle of busy terminals. High-speed Wi-Fi. Gone are the days of sluggish airport internet. Many terminals now provide free gigabit-speed Wi-Fi, with premium business class access tiers available for those needing guaranteed bandwidth and low latency for tasks like cloud collaboration, large file uploads, or video conferencing. Digital assistants and AI concierge services. Interactive AI-powered kiosks and mobile apps act as digital concierges, helping travelers locate lounges or workspaces, access printing/scanning services, file complaints, schedule gate-to-gate transfers, or modify travel plans in real time. These assistants streamline the airport experience, allowing travelers to focus on work rather than logistics. If you've got an hour and a laptop, you can now turn any layover into a productive work sprint. From solo freelancers editing presentations to startup teams conducting impromptu Zoom calls, airports are becoming not just transit hubs, but mobile co-working spaces, designed for a world where work happens anywhere, anytime. Number 10. Safety and surveillance. Security isn't just at the checkpoints anymore. From the moment you arrive at the airport to the time you board your flight, AI-powered safety and surveillance systems operate seamlessly in the background to ensure your protection and peace of mind. Key systems. Predictive AI monitoring. Leveraging machine learning and behavioral analytics, advanced surveillance systems continuously scan for unusual or suspicious behavior. These systems learn patterns over time and can detect anomalies, such as unattended bags, erratic movement, or unauthorized access attempts, and instantly alert security personnel. This proactive approach reduces response times and prevents potential threats before they escalate. Crowd flow optimization. AI analyzes real-time data from cameras, sensors, and mobile devices to monitor how passengers move through terminals. This allows for dynamic rerouting to prevent bottlenecks, reduce wait times, and maintain safe distancing during high-traffic periods. In emergency scenarios, AI assists with optimized evacuation strategies, identifying the fastest, safest paths, and directing passengers accordingly. Cybersecurity for passenger data. As biometric check-ins and digital IDs become standard, the protection of sensitive data is paramount. AI-enhanced cybersecurity systems encrypt personal information and employ quantum-resistant algorithms to defend against current and next-generation cyber threats. Continuous monitoring ensures that any intrusion attempt is detected and neutralized in real time. While these technologies may be invisible to travelers, they operate 24/7 behind the scenes, safeguarding your identity, ensuring physical security, and helping airport staff respond swiftly and intelligently to any situation. The result? A travel experience that is not only smoother and more efficient, but significantly safer. So, whether you're jetting off for business, adventure, or family, air travel in 2025 is faster, smarter, and safer, but only if you're prepared. Register your biometric profile if possible. Download your digital travel documents in advance. Check your destination's health and visa requirements. Use smart baggage tools. Take advantage of new wellness and tech zones. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with your travel buddies. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. We read every one.